Hello everyone, this is a MacBook. It's just a low spec 14-inch MacBook Pro, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 8 core, 1 terabyte hard drive. And this is a unboxing. It's going to be a general purpose laptop. Apple is always really nice with their packing, but this is the first time actually seeing a laptop in person. It's actually for my wife, and we're going to be using it as a general purpose laptop for her school and for some of the YouTube videos. So there's the machine, very thin, it's very light, well built. Fresh with battery actually. Comes with braided charging cable. And wall charging brick as well. The charge cable is the magnetic port, quick just connect, to lightning USB-C port. So this is the unboxing of the MacBook 14-inch, and what we also got for it was hard case, for attaching an iPhone 12 because it's overloaded with storage, and for attaching normal USB drives, mouse if needed, etc. So I'll let you guys know my thoughts on this computer as we learn to use it, and I'll probably make a follow-up to this video. Thank you for watching our unboxing of the MacBook 14-inch.